There is a few of environmental consequences of UCO pollution. First is water pollution. By surface water, UCO can create a film on water surfaces, preventing oxygen exchange and harming aquatic life. It disrupts ecosystem by blocking sunlight, which is crucial for photosynthesis in aquatic plants. Groundwater contamination. UCO can seep into the ground, contaminating groundwater. This affects drinking water supplies and the health of ecosystems reliant on clean water sources. Second is soil pollution, soil health degradation. UCO can alter soil composition and reduce its fertility. It hinders water infiltration and air circulation, impacting plant growth and agricultural productivity. And third is wildlife harm. Direct toxicities. Animals exposed to UCO, whether through ingestion or contact, can suffer from poisoning. Birds, for example, can have their feathers coated, which impairs their ability to fly and thermomorpulate. And fourth, the last one is air pollution, combustion emissions. Improper burning of UCO can release pollutants such as particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and volatile organic compounds, contributing to air quality degradation and respiratory problems.
Next is health hazard associated with improper UCO used cooking oil handling. First is human exposure by contaminated water. So consumption of water contaminated by UCO can lead to gastrointestinal issue and long-term health effect due to the toxin and pathogens. The second one is respiratory issue. This is inhalation of pollutants from burning UCO can cause respiratory problem, including asthma and other lung disease. Second hazard is food safety by cross-contamination. Improper handling of UCO in food preparation area can lead to cross-contamination, increase the risk of foodborne illness. And lastly, degradation product. By reusing cooking oil repeatedly can produce harmful degradation product such as acrylamide and fat and trans fat, which are linked to cancer and cardiovascular diseases.
Economic losses and inefficiencies from improper UCO management. First is increased maintenance costs. In sewage and plumbing, clogged sewage systems and pipes from UCO disposal led to high maintenance and repair costs for municipal systems and private properties. Second one is lost resource potential. For biodiesel production, UCO is a valuable raw material for biodiesel. Improper disposal means a missed opportunity to produce renewable energy, reducing dependency on fossil fuels and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Third one is waste management cost. In landfill overload, disposing a UCO in landfills add to waste management challenges and costs, including the environmental cost of increased methane emissions. And lastly, decreased agricultural productivity. For soil degradation, UCO pollution in agricultural areas can lead to reduced crop yields, affecting the economic viability of farming operations.
Sustainable solution for UCO management and responsible disposal practices. Collection and recycling programs offer incentives for business and individuals to participate in UCO recycling programs, such as tax breaks, rebates, or subsidies. Public awareness and education. Educate the public and business about the environmental impacts of UCO pollution and the benefits of proper disposal and recycling. Regulation and enforcement. Establish fines and penalties for illegal dumping or improper disposal of UCO to deter harmful practices. Innovation and technology. Invest in and support technologies that convert UCO into biodiesel, promoting a circular economy and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Community and industry collaboration. Encourage collaboration between government agencies, business, and community groups to create cohesive network for UCO collection and recycling.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. For the second video, which is the innovative solution for used cooking oil management,
My group will be making an emergency candle with cooking oil. But before we start, let me explain a bit on the challenges of UCO disposal and management in Malaysia. Firstly, lack of awareness and education. Many Malaysians are unaware of the environmental and health risks associated with improper UCO disposal. This results in practices like pouring oil down the drain or disposing of it inappropriately. There is insufficient public education on the potential benefits of recycling UCO, such as its use in biodiesel production. Second is insufficient infrastructure. Malaysia lacks a robust network for UCO collection and recycling, especially in rural areas. Existing facilities are often underdeveloped or inaccessible to many households and small businesses. The country's waste management systems are often not equipped to handle the segregation and processing of UCO effectively. Lastly is economic and logistical barriers. Collecting and transporting UCO can be costly and logistically challenging, especially from dispersed sources like households or small eateries. Without financial incentives or businesses, individuals may be reluctant to invest in proper disposal or recycling practices. So that is it for the challenges of UCO disposal and management in Malaysia. Let's proceed with the innovative solution video.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So for our innovation solution for used cooking oil management, our group will be making an emergency candle, which the items needed for making this candle is cost effective and accessible at home. So the things needed for this innovation is used cooking oil, cotton ball, salt, glass container, toothpick, lighter, and a tape. So let's move on how to prepare this emergency candle.
So we start our innovation with measure a half cup of salt and half cup of used cooking oil UCO and pour it in the glass container.
Adding a salt into the oil helps in moderating the burn rate and can make the flame burn more brighter. Okay, enough. By creating a salt bed, it can provide a base that absorbs excess oil and stabilize the flame.
So one tip for effective use is in the mixing process. Stir the salt thoroughly into the oil to ensure the even distribution.
After mixing it all up, so the next step we need to wrap this toothpick with the cotton ball. Before that, we must to sellotape the toothpick first and wrap it tightly. So this is the sample that we have prepared. This cotton ball is an excellent use as an excellent wick. It absorbs the oil well and burns steadily. These toothpicks provide structure and support to the wick and ensure the flame stays at the correct height and burns evenly. Ta-da! Finish the wrapping.
So next, we have to dip the tip of the wick into the oil. Turn it and place it into the candle. And lastly, it's time to light up the candle. So this is the result of our emergency candle that we can make it at home. The salt can alter the burning characteristic of the oil, often producing a brighter and more stable flame. A brighter flame is not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also more practical for lighting purposes. By following these methods, you can make your homemade oil candles more efficient and enjoyable to use.
Okay, so during a blackout, emergency candles can be incredibly useful for providing light and a sense of security. So the benefits of emergency candles during a blackout is it is a reliable light source, which it provides immediate illumination Unlike battery-powered lights that can run out of power or malfunction, candles can be lit instantly and provide continuous light for hours. That's it. Thank you.